9 basic sentences in English. Interuro 9 z'ibanze mu Cyongereza. Let's talk. Reka tuvugane. Let's talk to them. Reka tubavugishe. Let's respect each other. Reka twubahane. Let's be honest with each other. Reka tubwizanye ukuri. I am nervous. Mfite igihunga. I am feeling dizzy. Mfite isereri. Are you still alive? Uracyabaho? Do you still remember me? Uracyanyibuka? Who told you that? Ibyo ninde wabikubwiye?